In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create labels in Jira, a crucial step in keeping your projects well organized and efficient. Whether you're managing a team or handling projects solo, knowing how to use labels in Jira can dramatically enhance your workflow. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the Jira website. This is your central hub for all things related to your projects. Make sure you have your login details handy, as we'll need them in the next step. Once you're on the site, the next task is to sign in. Click on the option that says Google and then proceed to sign in using your Google account credentials. This provides a quick and secure way of logging into your Jira account. With your account ready to go, it's time to head to your specific project board. On the left panel of the interface, you'll see options to navigate to your different boards. Choose the board that corresponds to the project you're working on. This panel makes it easy to switch between different projects if you're handling multiple ones. But today, we're focusing on the one where you want to set up labels. Once you're on your board, the next step is to identify the specific issue or task that you want to label. Click on the issue or task to open its detailed view. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you'll find comprehensive information about the task, including descriptions, comments, and crucially, the labels option. Now, let's focus on setting those labels. The labels field is a flexible tool for categorizing and tagging your issues, making them easier to find and manage later on. Click on the labels field. Here, you can start typing the label you want to create. If you're adding a new label, simply type it in. If it's a label that already exists within your project as you type, Jira will suggest labels that match your input for consistency across your team. Labels can significantly improve the way you track and filter project components, helping your team quickly identify tasks with similar attributes or needs. So, don't hesitate to use descriptive and meaningful labels that best represent the task at hand. Once you've added the labels, make sure you save your changes. By doing this, you've ensured that your issue is now properly tagged and ready for action. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to create labels in Jira. This process not only enables better organization, but also enhances communication and efficiency within your team. Remember, well-labeled tasks can save you a lot of time and effort in the long run, paving the way for a smooth and productive project management experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials.